Good Monday morning. I'm Meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Today it's feeling a little more summer-like. Or certainly it will very shortly be more summer-like because we're going to see temperatures take off a little more quickly and not start in the 40s for a change. In fact, it's 61 already just after 8 o'clock here on this Monday morning. This is looking live outside from CC Heights, our Gwaltney Group camera. Temperatures 60s now, about 80. Later today. That's where we'll end the day with the help of some filtered sunshine and a gusty southeast breeze. Not as much sun, I think, as we saw for most of the weekend, certainly after those Saturday morning showers, but still not a bad way to start the week. And there are going to be shower chances around, speaking of which, we're looking at that possibility today, but pretty sparse activity. And if you're looking for more widespread rain chances, that's late in the week. And until then, the big story here in the short term is the buildup of that warmth and maybe a little bit of humidity. Not extreme humidity out of this, but there will be more of that noticeable. The weekend, we've had dew points the last couple of days in the 30s and 40s, and this morning still 40s right now, so really dry air in place. If you're not a fan, bottom line, if you're not a fan of mugginess, embrace what we have going on right now. This is it. It's going to be maybe quite this comfortable for quite a while. Certainly not this week, as we have mugginess building in. But right now, some filtered sunshine and 60s in most spots. Rochester 61, Mason City 64. It's 60 in Rushford, Decorah 61. Dew point 43. Can't beat that. Air pressure on the rise, 30.24 inches of mercury. And yes, it is breezy. 22 gusting around 30 miles per hour with those winds. So a couple of showers may pop up between around 2 and maybe 5 this afternoon. There are a couple of sprinkles I will note on radar right now, but with dew points only in the 30s and 40s, I can imagine that stuff is evaporating. Not seeing any ground reports of that rain reaching the ground, but day planners showing highs around 80 degrees later today. Showers going on, especially to our north and west. Even a big batch of activity in parts of Wisconsin that has really blown up the past hour or so, but that's drifting away from our local area. Storm system for the west, the first of two to move through. This one's actually headed for Manitoba and eventually northwest Ontario, kind of moving northeastward. Ahead of that, we have the showers and severe weather risk. Very small one and confined mainly to the northwest corner of Minnesota. Here's future track, high-res future track, looking at a couple of brief light showers perhaps popping up this afternoon into the early evening for us, but not something widespread, certainly not something intense, and may not even involve lightning. Just a brief shower or two here and there. And there are a few on the radar right now, as we saw in parts of North Iowa, a couple of sprinkles around Northwood, but again, that's mostly virga, I think, at this point, not reaching the ground, in other words, evaporating in the fairly dry atmosphere for the time being. But breezy, warm, progressively slightly more humid. Next few days, way warmer, mid and upper 80s tomorrow, Wednesday, even to Thursday, and then we'll see increasing rain chances with the arrival of a cold front later this week. Of course, that shaves a couple of degrees off and brings us those rain chances to further enhance the cool down late in the week. We'll see that in a moment. But here's future cast, watching the first system kind of grazing the area to the north. You see those southeast winds and a filtered dose of sunshine. Maybe a brief shower this afternoon, but you see more widespread showers north of us. Tomorrow, incredible sunshine. Still fairly breezy day, around 15-20 miles per hour out of the south. Daytime highs tomorrow in the mid-80s. Dew points finally do get in the 60s tomorrow. By the time we get to Wednesday, maybe even flirting with 70 with that dew point, and high temperatures close to 90 degrees before that cold front from the northwest arrives, and that would be mainly Thursday with afternoon showers and thunderstorms there. But today, a stray shower is possible. Many of us won't even notice it, but we're not going to see much in the way of shower activity. 80 in Rochester, 85 Mason City. A gusty day with southeast winds at times 30 miles per hour. Tonight, looking at, let's look at the temperature forecast first. 80, and then we drop out to the mid-60s. Definitely warmer than recent days and recent nights as well. Southeast winds at 30 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy, south winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. And tomorrow, slightly breezy day, still that 20 mile per hour wind, and a little more humid and definitely warmer. 86 for your Tuesday. Mostly sunny skies. 7-day forecast, a couple of thunderstorms Thursday afternoon. Friday and Saturday offer the best chance of rain. The front kind of stalls out, and with off and on waves of shower and thunderstorm activity along that. So limited sun, temperatures by then back at the low 80s. And Father's Day, not a bad day. I think we will see a slight chance of a late day shower or thunderstorm, but most of the day actually at this point looks pretty good with high temperatures around 80 degrees. So if you're looking for summer warmth, you've found it. This is the week. Now, over the weekend, we had 60s and 70s, and we'd like to keep everybody happy, and so we go from September weather back to more June-like weather here for the next few days. In the meantime, enjoy the summer sunshine, or at least filtered sunshine, and summer warmth, and have a great Monday. We'll see you back here tomorrow.